Also, what I did ahead of time, and you probably want to do this too, let me just close that for a second, is I went in and looked at the geometry and tried to plan it out ahead of time how we're going to approach it. So what I did was I went in and added some curves in certain areas, okay? So for instance, over here, I added a curve or closed curve that extends out a little bit in this window, extends out a little bit on these windows here. So we're going to be using that for different ways of machining it. And again, just added some curves for different areas, circles, et cetera, et cetera. So we're going to be using those mostly for controlling our operations. Let's see what else we got here.